Welcome to Kredit Hero, your smartest way to receive and assess SME loan applications. Here's a quick walkthrough of our platform for lenders. Kredit Hero is an AI SME loan marketplace that does the heavy lifting for you. All applications are AI quality checked, ensuring you only receive deals that match your credit appetite. That means no more time spent on pre-screening or manually processing documents like bank statements and financial reports. Our AI is trained on real financial documents and can analyze everything from structured PDFs to blurry scans, delivering clean, standardized credit profiles to you in minutes. Now, let's jump into and explore how you can access your deals in seconds. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you'll find a summary of all your matched SME loan applications, including their industry, loan purpose, and more. From Dashboard, go to the Deals section, where you'll see the list of anonymized deals that match your credit criteria. Each deal comes with key information and AI-processed assessments available to help you decide on a deal with confidence. This includes a full AI-written credit report on financial health, along with key metrics, bank data, validation flags, deal metrics, and fraud analysis. To view the full account details, simply click the Access Full Account button, then click Unlock. Once unlocked, you'll get access to the deal's account name, contacts, business address, SEC, DTI registrations, general information sheet, and other application documents. When you're ready to take the next steps on an application, just click Make an Offer and enter the details of your loan proposal. It's quick and straightforward. And that's it. Smarter lending made simple with Kredit Hero. With applications and all the insights you need in one place, you can focus on making faster, smarter lending decisions. Ready to get started? Talk to our team at ask@kredithero.com.